wolves lock horns in a violent clash for dominance. Muscles strain, hooves dig into the earth, and the air fills with the sound of battle. Neither backs down as they push and charge with relentless force. This isn't just a fight, it's a raw display of strength, dominance, and the unyielding will to lead the herd. Built for speed and stealth, sets its sights on a massive, unexpected target, a full-grown ostrich. Towering and powerful, the ostrich is no easy prey. With legs strong enough to kill a predator in a single kick, it spots the cheetah and bolts. But the cheetah is faster, its body low, muscles firing with every stride, closing the distance in seconds. The ostrich zigzags, wings flapping, kicking up dust in a desperate sprint for survival. It's a rare and dangerous gamble, for both predator and prey. With one final burst of speed, the cheetah lunges, aiming for the legs. The savannah erupts in chaos as two of nature's fastest creatures collide in a heart-pounding battle. The silence of the savannah is suddenly broken by a blur of motion. It's the world's fastest land predator, the cheetah, locked onto its target. In the distance, a deer grazes peacefully, unaware that danger is closing in. With muscles coiled like springs and eyes fixed with laser precision, the cheetah explodes into action. Every stride covers ground with astonishing speed, dust flying beneath its paws. The deer senses something and bolts, but it's already too late. A high-speed chase begins, seconds feel like eternity. The cheetah narrows the gap, weaving through the grass with unmatched agility. And then, with one final leap, it strikes, bringing down its prey in a display of nature's raw power and perfect design. This is the wild, where survival depends on speed, instinct, and timing, and the cheetah rules the chase. Tension crackles as two big cats face off, muscles coiled, eyes locked in a deadly stare. With a sudden roar, the fight erupts, claws slash, teeth snap, and power collides in a storm of fury. This isn't just a battle, it's a fight for territory, respect, and survival. In the wild, only one can walk away as king.